Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to create an on and off switch in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First, we have to open up VS Code. And so, once we open VS Code, click on Open Folder. Documents, New Folder, and write On and Off Switch. Create and then open. And then open your browser. Anyways, while your browser is opening, create a new file named index.html, index.css, and index.js. And the index.html file, write Now write HTML5 and under the body write link rel equals style sheet, href equals index.css, script source equals index.js, save and then copy the HTML files path and paste it in the search bar. A blank page. Now create a button tag that says on/off and a div with an ID of bulb. And this button will have an ID of toggle. So when we press this button, nothing happens. In the index.css file, write #bulb, width 100px, height 100px, background color black. And before you watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So anyways, also write box shadow 0050px, RGBA 255, 255, 0, 0.9. Now you see we have a square with a yellow glow. And also write border radius 100% to make it a circle. So now cut this and write #bulb dot on. Paste this. Copy this. Paste it. Change this from black to yellow. Now you see that if you click on the button, nothing happens. Well, that is because we haven't done anything in our index.js file. Write on click on Now the index.js file write vulb equals documents.getElement by id bulb function on bulb.classList.toggle on. Now reload our HTML file. You see that when we click on this sphere turns yellow and starts glowing. Now in our index.css file write body background color cornflower blue. Now hover over this square and increase and move to about here, or just write RGB 178.205.255. Change this from 0.9 to 1. And now we're going to style the button, right? Hashtag toggle padding 20 px, background color cornflower blue, border 2 px solid cornflower blue, and then border radius 20 px. And then hover over this and move this to about here, or just write RGB 162.195.255. Cool. And increase this to 3 px. And now write hashtag bulb transition 0.5s. Now you see that when we click this, it looks like as if it's turning on, instead of just turning on immediately. Copy this, paste it, and then paste it one more time. For the last one, write active. For the second one, write hover. And then in the hover, write padding 30 px and padding 15 px. And also add a transition of 0.5s. And for the active, add a transition of 0.2s. 0.1s. And for the toggle hover, change this to 206.223.255. Change this to 159.192.255. And then for the active, change this to 113.134.174. Change this to 74.92 and 127. And also write color white. Change the text color to white. Pretty good. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.